In this video, we are going to discuss about 5 ways or techniques by which you can find your perfect niche or category to create your Amazon affiliate website. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So as we have already discussed in the last 2 videos that how important it is to first select the niche or the category on which you want to create your Amazon affiliate site. And in this video, we are going to talk about 5 points or 5 techniques that you can use to find your perfect niche. So let's start with method number 1, and that is Amazon bestsellers. So right now I am at the Indian version of Amazon. So here you can see we are on the bestseller page. And on the left hand side, you will find a lot of categories. And here on the home screen, you will see the number 1 bestseller is this bag. And if we scroll down, here are various other things. And by looking at these products and these categories, we can come up with some product ideas or maybe a category idea to create the Amazon affiliate site. So here we can see the wallet, bags, and this bag. So we can easily think of a Amazon affiliate site which is focused on bags and wallets. Or if we scroll down, we have this extended gaming mousepad. So gaming accessories could be a very good niche. And after that, we see this laptop table, so which is very much required these days, like in a situation of work from home. So if you are planning to do that kind of website, this is a perfect product for that. So here you can go ahead and visit the Amazon bestseller page and you can jump around in the categories here and see what are the bestseller products and try to get some idea about a product category that you can concentrate on to create your Amazon affiliate website. Method number 2 is by using websites like eBay or Alibaba. So you can go ahead and visit these sites, and if we go in the first category, here you can see various electronic products by category. And you can go ahead and jump around in the category and see if you like any of the product. Like we have a vintage phone here. So maybe you want to create a Amazon affiliate site which is based on vintage phone if they are available on Amazon. This is just a random guess. I just saw that link. So you can go ahead and jump around in different categories and see which one suits best for you. For example, this smart home category, which is very popular these days, you can go ahead and create an Amazon affiliate site which is only talking about the smart homes. Method number 3, by visiting magazine websites. So here we are on one very popular magazine website in India. So here are the list of magazines in different category. So here you can visit all the magazines that they have and you might come up with some idea about a niche for Amazon products. For example, this bike magazine. So if people are buying bike magazines, then they are definitely wish to know more about bike accessories or maybe bike reviews. So you can easily create an Amazon affiliate site based on that. Other than that, you can go ahead and scroll through all these categories and see if you can come up with some idea about a niche for your Amazon affiliate site. Method number 4 is by reverse engineering through websites like Flippa. Now, as mentioned before in our previous video, Flippa is a website where people sell their already existing websites and blogs. So you can visit this website and in their browse section, you can go ahead and view all the listings mentioned here. And using this, you can surely get some idea about what kind of website people are creating and how much they are selling for. So this will be a great way to find the actual working website and then reverse engineer that for your website. And then the method number 5, which is my favorite one, and that is to just look around. So in your daily life, you use various products and gadgets and came across with various problems. As mentioned in our previous video, we do a lot of dealing in products related to video production. So if it is something same for you, you can go ahead and create a website which showcase or talks about these kind of video creation products. Or maybe you spend a lot of time in your garden, so you can go ahead and create an Amazon affiliate site related to that. Or if you are a parent, then look around what are the products that you deal with and what are the things for which you go online and search to solve your questions or problems. and you can easily come up with some idea with all that thoughts, and then just use those thoughts and create an Amazon affiliate site for yourself. So these are the 5 techniques or 5 ways by which you can easily figure out the niche or the category to create your first Amazon affiliate website. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.